This Excel workbook is a compilation of various operations and supply chain management models. The various models that are presented in select chapters of the textbook are hyperlinked in the main menu of the workbook. For example, in Chapter 2, where we present various forecasting techniques, the models can be accessed by clicking the Forecasting Model menu. This submenu shows the various forecasting models. For example, if you are working on a forecast that requires the moving average method, simply click on the moving average method hyperlink. One common feature to all of the models in this workbook are the yellow highlighted cells. These are input cells. The blue highlighted cells are computed cells. Once you enter the input data into the yellow cells, the model template will automatically calculate the forecasts. In most of the models where a graph is presented, the graphs will automatically update when the input data are entered. Here's an example. Say that for the given time series data set that is in column D, we want to generate a 3-period moving average. To do so, simply change the value in cell K8 to 3, reflecting the number of periods in the average. Note that as soon as you entered 3 in K8, the 3-period moving average forecasts in column E were calculated. Additionally, note how the plot of the 3 moving average in the graph also changed. Now, try changing the period forecast in cell K10. Say that you wanted to know the forecast for period 12. Simply type in 12 in K7 and note the vertical dashed line move to period 12. Also note that if you scroll down, you will see additional information provided in this model. For all the models in this workbook that contain interactive charts or graphs, you can change the format or features of the graph. You can also copy and paste them.